Greetings everyone. First, we need to log in to the AdGuard website. So, let's click on the Google Chrome icon. Once you click on the Google Chrome icon, it will take you to Google. In the Google search engine, you can search for AdGuard. After searching, click on the official AdGuard link shown in the results. It will open the AdGuard website. There, go to the top right corner and click on Login. Once you click on Login, it will open the login form. Here, enter your email address carefully in the email box and click Continue. Here, we set up the password for the AdGuard account. Prove that you are a human by clicking on the checkbox. Next, click the checkbox to accept the PP and the TC. If you like to receive emails from AdGuard, click on the next checkbox as well. Type a password. It has to be 8 characters. Then click on Continue. Once you click Continue, the AdGuard team will send a verification code to your email. Enter the code exactly as it is. It will be a 6-digit code. Click Continue. Then, you will be taken to the AdGuard account landing page. AdGuard landing page shows activities related to your account. Click on Settings to view the options related to your account. Here, you can enable two-factor authentication for better security. We will be creating a separate video on how to enable two-factor authentication. If you need help, you can watch that video for guidance. In the licensing section, your purchases and license details will appear. We also use this section to bind the license key to your account. These are the available products under AdGuard. So, let's meet again in the next video. Stay protected. Stay secure with AdGuard.